Come on, Blackjack. You want inside? Come on. I know you don't like that. Here, go inside, boy. Hey everybody, how you doing? Well, I want to just make a quick video right now because of course you know we live in Texas, and as most of the world knows right now, Texas and Louisiana right up the border is about to get plummeted and take a devastating category 4. Now they're saying could go possibly category 5 hurricane, and with a massive storm surge that they're saying is unsurvivable. Meaning if you stay behind and you're in one of those areas that a storm surge comes in, you most likely will not survive. It's going to be catastrophic like we've seen with Katrina in the past. I'm very well versed with hurricanes because in the past, boy, here we go right now. I'm very well versed with hurricanes in the 2000s. I dedicated a lot of my time to going and working those catastrophe zones of hurricanes. Cap here, he did as well. He did a lot of it with me. Sure did. We worked a lot of hurricane sites, didn't we?
Oh, we have, man.
Yeah. And so we've been there and we've seen it all firsthand. My cousin Kim worked with us, and a group of us would go, and when these storms was coming in like this, while everybody else is running away, we're heading towards them. Right? Wasn't that right, Cap? That was right. I mean, we're going the opposite direction. We're heading in and to do what we can. So when this is coming in like right now, my instinct, I feel like it's time to roll.
I know it, man. We're ready to go to the coast, man.
It's
see
like
what's going on.
It's time to roll. You know, get all the gear together. It's time to roll. And so I'm seeing this come in right now, and I tell you, it's going to be devastating. I know very well, Cap, you know very well what this is about to do.
Oh, absolutely.
People's lives are about to change right now. There's nothing we can do. We can't stop Mother Nature. You just can't. So the only thing right now is that the people got to safety. That was the most important thing, is people evacuate. Your life comes first. Your life comes first. I'll never ever forget all the things I've seen in my eyes with these storms. So y'all know we're probably about 350 miles away from where that storm is now. And we're east of Dallas in the East Texas area. We're not going to be taking a hit from it ourselves, but people we know, people we love, and just our fellow countrymen that we care about, we want to reach out and let y'all know that we care. Kind of watching out what's going on here, you know. So we're saying that I'm 350 miles away, maybe 400 miles away. Woo! And I'm bringing my ass inside. Woo! Holy cow. Yes, it is coming in. So this is what's coming in with this storm up in North Texas right now, and that storm it's got to be 350, 400 miles away from us.
Let's see,
it's probably 350 miles from us then.
350 miles, yeah.
And so it's already having an effect here in North Texas. You know, like I say, we're not going to catch that storm. That's going to go right up the Texas-Louisiana border, straight up it. Pretty much right up the Caddo and all. Boy, there it is again. Fixing to hear it. Yep. So this like saying, this storm is it's a life changer. It's going to scar the land. Those scars are going to be there for years. People are going to lose everything they work for. They're going to lose memorabilia. They may lose pets. They may lose their dreams of the place that they wanted to retire, live. There are going to be people displaced. In the next hours, lives are about to change. And this is Mother Nature. You can blame it and say it's global warming. It's not. This is the cycles of Earth. But the blessed thing that we have is this media, news, science, weather. I know media's got a little bit out of control lately. Without a doubt, they've got out of control. But news is still important to us because they forecast these things. They let us know, the scientists let us know. Can you imagine if we didn't know that this was coming and people wasn't preparing? How many lives would be lost? So the news needs to pull their heads out of their asses and remember what they're really for. They're out there to inform the people the truth. Today they're doing their job, what they're supposed to be doing. Yesterday, the day before, over the storm, they're doing their job of what they're supposed to be doing. And if they would take a lesson of what's happening when they're doing the storm right now and apply that every day to all the other situations, we would all be a whole lot better off. If they'd stop the BS and handle like they're handling the storm. There's nobody to blame for the storm. You can't blame one side or another. This is nature. And if they would take that same thing and apply it daily on the news in our lives and get back to what the news used to be, informing us of things that help us out, that's real, true, and factual. You know, like earthquakes and storms, and if there's a fire coming and things like that, things that can protect us, or maybe there's a pipeline going to come through and it's going to affect people and their lives and stuff. Informing us, that is the smarter things for news. I just wish it would get back to that again, but I'll get off that tangent. So nevertheless, I'm thankful for the news right now. I'm thankful for the forecasters, the weathermen, the people with the military, the ones that's flying through these storms, predicting it for us, that are saving lives. Those are heroes right now. They're heroes without a doubt, without a doubt. If they didn't inform the public, can you imagine the amount of life lost in the next hours to come? So just remember that. I know there's been a lot of dissension about the media lately. Me too. I'm really upset with them. But these guys that are doing this type of work like that, I appreciate them, and I think that they have done a lot to save a lot of people's lives. So all you weathermen, you meteorologists, military, all of you that's worked on this, thank you. Everybody take care and God bless. I walked over here, I got a question. How does Melinda paint and do touch-up paint and end up with it around her lips?
Ah, no, hindi just accidentally
Dripping. It's like you've been drinking milk. Let me show you.